If your Wi-Fi dongle isn't working, and you're having trouble connecting to the internet, don't worry. In this video I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Check dongle connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi dongle is properly connected to the USB port. Sometimes a loose or faulty connection can cause the dongle not to work. Step 2. Restart your computer and dongle. If reconnecting doesn't work, try restarting your computer. Shut down your computer. Unplug the Wi-Fi dongle. Wait for about 10 seconds, then restart your computer and plug the dongle back in. Step 3. Update the dongle driver. Another common issue is outdated drivers. Here's what to do. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. Sometimes the problem can be with your computer's operating system, so make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings and click on Windows Update. Check for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Troubleshooting network connection. If the Wi-Fi dongle still isn't working, run the network troubleshooter. Go to Settings, click Network and Internet, and select Network Troubleshooter. Follow the prompts to fix any issues. And that's it. I hope with these simple steps your dongle will start working again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.